Hello everyone, you are watching Daily Court Updates with Bar and Bench, where I, Soumya, will be presenting daily updates from courts around the country. Starting with Supreme Court of India, the Supreme Court today issued a notice to central government and the Attorney General of India, R. Venkata Ramani, on two petitions filed by a gay couple seeking recognition of same-sex marriage under Special Marriage Act. A bench comprising Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice Hema Kohli heard the matter before seeking the response of central government and the top law officers. Our next update is on WSSC scam incident. The Supreme Court today stayed a division bench order of the Calcutta High Court which upheld a single judge's direction calling for Central Bureau of Investigation probe into who filed the Benami application in multi-crore West Bengal School Service Commission recruitment scam. A bench of Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice Hema Kohli also dispensed with the personal appearance of West Bengal Principal Secretary Manish Jain. Next update is on live streaming of court proceedings. The Supreme Court of India today said that it was examining how to curb the misuse of videos of court proceedings that were clipped and uploaded on the internet without context. CJI D.Y. Chandrachud said that to maintain the sanctity of the judicial institution, the court was looking into the issue of clips on the internet that are often uploaded without context. Up next, in an important judgment, the Supreme Court recently held that once a court believes the version of prosecutrix in a rape case, it is sufficient to establish the offence under Section 376 of the Indian Penal Code. In such a case, the police's failure to send seized articles pertaining to the case to the Forensic Science Laboratory would not have any significance. Our next update is coming from Madras High Court. In a rare gesture, Justice D. Bharata Chakravarti called out on prevalent misogyny among the bar and society in general. While apologizing to 4 women litigants for the insensitivity shown by a lawyer who posed humiliating questions during cross-examination on a property suit, Justice Bharata Chakravarti said that such misogyny was not an individual mistake of a lawyer, but a reflection of society's collective failure. Today's last and biggest news is coming from Delhi High Court. The Delhi High Court today passed an interim order restraining persons at large from infringing the personality and publicity rights of veteran Bollywood actor Amitabh Bachchan. Bachchan approached the High Court seeking an omnibus order protecting his name, image, voice and any of his characteristics without his consent. Thank you for watching our videos. To read in detail about these updates, visit our website. Link is in the description box and do not forget to subscribe to our channel Bar and Bench.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.